Yo, what's up? What's up, people? Welcome to the channel. It's your boy. Yeah, I am underscore Hosea, and welcome back again, guys. Couple of days, but we have been not uploading, and today we thank my God that we are here. We are healthy, strong, and guys, today we are just going to show you on a manganyo special day, and as we are just going to do 1, 2, 3, and the morning routine maybe also some plantation of navel grass, as I told you what about, in order to feed our beautiful cow, Mama Radeka's cow. So just going to show you how the cow currently is actually in the point where it have reached, and then from there I'm just going to take you out. We are just going to drive or to ride to the farm where we are just going to plant the navel grass. So today I decided like to feed it from this point. So I decided to feed it from this point. I did some tethering. So this tethering, yeah. So I did this tethering, and it's just going on feeding those sweet potatoes leaves. So those are sweet potato leaves, and actually the cow, it's growing, yeah, it's growing. What do you think? How do you see it? Is it growing? Or so you can see how it's just going on feeding these uh, sweet sweet potatoes leaves, and then from there we are just going to feed it. Mambo, yeah, you need money. Oh, wapi tutaenda baadaye. So I have friends of mine here. Say hi.
Hi,
Yeah,
how are you? Yeah, we are friends to Barak.
yeah.
We are going to church. We like to have a nice service, guys.
Yeah.
I will pray for you.
Okay, thank you. And you, my dear sister. she she has no words to say. So thank you, my dear sister, and I wish you all the best.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you. Aki, nina shughuli ya kufanya hapa sasa hivi. Natoka hapo nipeleke, kuna vitu naenda kufanya sehemu. Unataka pesa ya kuongea? Next time.
Next time.
So saizi nina shughuli ya kufanya kidogo. So they are just like asking me to drive them or to ride them somewhere, but I'm currently busy. So guys, as I was just telling you, we are just going on with this feeding of this. I did tethering today around this so that it can also like basting the sun, and then from there we'll just leave it. So after this, I'm just going to add it some navel grass so that it can also consume those navel grass. And I think, guys, as you have seen, it's also growing. Yeah, it's growing. And mama kufunge, it's also growing. Yeah, then from there, and mama kufunge. So from there, guys, I think I have to have some of those staffs or those navel grass branches so that I can go and do some plantation over there. So and then from there, guys, I'm just going to give you all updates. So with me, kindly join me. Let's go with me and see how things are going on. So these are the stems, actually, the navel grass stems that have been we have them here. So I used to bring this sweet potatoes leaves from one of the farm in order to feed with it the calf. So it's also good for it to consume. So we have some of the navel grass stems here. Here they are. I'm just going to plant this. I'm going to plant this. So I'm just going to show you how to plant it on the farm. Yeah, you can see even this one, it have already started producing. Yeah, so actually like 100% of it have begun producing. So I need more so that I can do some of these plantations of these navy grass stems. Yeah, you can see they have begun producing, and I used to invest them or to keep them here in this sack. So from there, guys, let's go and see what's going to happen, how things are going to be. So I have to get this ready. I think this one's enough for the one side, because we need more. We really need more for this, for the practitioners. Actually, I've not been some couple of days since I told you that I have to plant, because we didn't. It was like it was too hot. We had no. It was not raining. So currently, as I'm speaking, it have been raining. So today, that's why I decided. These plantations requires water, and that's why today I decided like to do this or to go and plant. So I have to go with you. Yeah, you have to join me. Viji, nisaidie jembe iko pale. Nisaidie jembe liko pale. So I'm just asking for the yenye liko hapa hivi. Eh. Ni la kwake. Mama mgani? Okay. So I asked her for the So she have told me that there's one of the ladies or the friends of this family who used to come and ask for it. So I think I'm just going to ask the neighbors around there to aid me with the ore and then do some of the plantation. So I have to tie this behind here. So this the motorbike that we are going to use for our transportation to the farm. So we have this. I have to use this expandable rubber to tie it. Yes. So it's ready. So it's ready, and there we're just heading there, guys. Remember to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, share the link if you haven't, and also subscribe, guys. Turn on the notification bell always for more amazing content, videos, live streams, everything. Turn on the notification bell. Let's go, guys, to the farm and see how things are happening there. Hello, baby. How are you? So that was the Hello Baby official and our friends. So actually this place also it have become a home of YouTubers. We have some friends like Burundian Traveler is just staying around this area. Also, we have our brother Itembe 001. He's also staying in this village. Actually, they are just like neighbors around here. So, this is the farm here. We are the farm finally. So, you can have a look. It's wow, amazing. I'm just using one hand holding the camera and another hand maybe riding or accelerating the motorbike. So I have to be careful. So finally we are here. Here we are. Odi, let's go. Yeah. So here we are finally, and we have to do 1 2 1 2. Yeah. So this is the place that I have been telling you, and I hope you guys know the place for sure. Oh man! So we used to do some plantation, maize plantation around. We have maize plantation, and you can see they're just like coming out. Yeah, they're germinating or growing. Yeah, around. So like this, the footpath where people are just using these, and which is not authorized, but I think we have to do something. So I'm just going to plant this navel grass all this way over this along actually along this fence, this area to the end. So actually, because those navel grass stems are not enough, I'm just going to plant to the point where I'm just going to reach, and maybe from the next time I'm just going to look for may some of those uh, some of those stems and navel grass stems and plant them. Actually, I was expecting to do this plantation all round, like let me say around or across the fence, so that it can also like manage our cows to feed our cow. So like this area to the far end down there, was expecting also to do some plantation. So like this area I have to fence, because we don't actually people passing over here. This just like you know, they might be interfering, because actually the place where they are stepping, we 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 used to plant some maize, but this shows that it have been affected. Huh? So all in all, we have to thank God for it. So my good people, without wasting time, I have to ask for the O. I have to ask for the O from the neighbors. Actually, they are also like relatives. They are also like relatives, because uh, they are relatives, and I have to ask like a O from there, maybe to do 1 2. Yeah, 1 2 1 2. So let me ask them. Auntie, unaweza nisaidia na jembe? So that's in Swahili. Auntie, I hope you understand. Auntie, may you help me with the hoe? Yeah. So they accepted, and I think they're just going to give it to me. Yeah. Ukoje? Sijui msaidie kupanda.
Nini?
Kosi yako.
Sasa niko na kazi. Unaona nataka kufanya usafi.
Hata wanakuitaje? Wanakuitaje?
Mimi.
Yeah.
Vivian.
Really. Wow, thank you. So I've been just like asking her to help me. She said that she's busy. Yeah. She's just going on with some of the progress around. So we have to start this. We have to start this. So which point? This is the point that we are just going to start from. And actually, we have also to do the weeding of it. So, the good people, I think I'm just going to, I have to do something. I have to look for the best place to place my camera. So give me some minutes. So hope there things will be fine. So I'm just going to start from these points. This is the point that I'm just going to start with. Yeah. So I'm just going to do this way, and then maybe after 2 days or 2 to 3 days, I'll be back to do some of the things like weeding. So you can see I've been making these holes, and then from there I'm just going to do like those plantation. So let me show you. Then we progress. Let me pour it around here so we don't have too much of it. We have less of it just for the start. Yeah, just for the start. So this how you have to see the way it grows. So there's the stem, and this is where it grows to. So I have to bring it such a way, in such a way maybe, and then I have to give it some of those soil over here in such a way. Yeah, you can see that's how it looks. We bought it in such a way. It's not supposed to be like straight, not like to stand tall such a way. It have to slide in such a way. Hope you're getting me. It has to slide, yeah, in a slopey way, in such a way, not to be firm, stand tall in such a way, yeah. So it have to line a bit such a way. That's how it's being actually the plantation of this takes place. So I think I have to get like two like dual, yeah, in such a way. Yeah, that's what I meant, like this one and this one. Yeah, two of it are the same, add the per hole. Let me add this one. Even this one can perform, believe me. Even that one can do well, so long as it has some waters. And this one here, we have to get two of them. Do this single hole, yeah, like polygamy. Guys, this is like doing having it, the whole has the, we polygamize the whole, yeah. We have to polygamize it. So one hole, two stems of navy grass, polygamizing. Guys, we have to polygamize it. You can see this is how we are polygamizing it. Let me show you well how we do this polygamizing. So this one stick, this is a hole, and this is, we have one stem of this navy grass over here, and then we had another one, yeah, to the same hole. So we polygamize it, guys. So we polygamize it. You can see now it has two stems of those navy grass, one hole, two stems. That's polygamizing the whole. Yeah, we have to do it the whole. We have to polygamize the all of the holes around. So let me do it, guys. Hope after 1 week, I'm just going to come back, and after 1 week or 3 days, let's be 1 week, I'll come back maybe to do some weeding of this navy grass plantation around this, because 1 week it's enough. And since we are experiencing rainies, it will be, it could it may be, or it could be, we are just going to find it performing well. So we have to do it. That's how. So this is not my, I didn't do agriculture, so I'm just doing it today. Yeah, the way marhaba. So I have to do it all the way to the end, until where we are just going to finish those maize navy grass stems, or navy grass stacks. So keep tuned, guys, as we are just going on with this progress of planting some navy grass here in the village for Mama Radeka's cow, guys. You know, we have to feed it, we have to see it growing, and things will be manga new, guys. Remember to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, share the link. Also remember to turn on the notification bell, as you are just going to subscribe to the channel. If the first time, I appreciate you. Thank you for joining this family. Team Hosea, the Go family, humble family. Guys, love is free. Let's go. Let's see how things are just going to happen around. Done out about plantation of this navel grass, and you can see actually this is the point where we reached. So this is the point where we reached. You can see we did this the whole of this farm to the end over there. So I want also to do something here because we can see there's a footpath. There's a footpath here. I want to actually cross this footpath since we have some plantation. So like intruders, people are like intruding into, and we have to abstain these. So the best way of actually stopping them, maybe through passing here, we have to do something here. We have to fence this place, and since we don't have like matata tones around or some other things, I'm just going to use the best way. I think it can also be the best by using some of these sticks here. You can see we have some sticks around, and around here we have some branches also. Yeah, we have some good branches. I don't know, this tree actually it's also good. It produces good timbers. Yeah, I don't know if it's not moringa tree. I don't know the name of it, guys. In English, I don't know the name of this tree. And this tree is the best. Maybe during Christmas days and maybe Paris, you can find people having those balloons. When they have balloons, they tie while it's actually fresh. They tie this tree, the balloons all around this tree, and it gives out a good actually look or a good scene. So I don't know the name of this tree in English. Moringa tree, something cypress. I think it's cypress. Yeah, I think it's a cypress tree. Yeah, so this is the best. I like this. Even maybe you can also use the branches by just forming those stick chairs. Yeah, you know, those stick chairs. Maybe when you are in a beautiful restaurants, you can find some of the like you are in a restaurant, you can have this tree, some chairs made from these branches. So these are the best. You can fold. Oh my God, the call. It's the best tree also. You can also, I was just trying to tell that you can fold this where it's wet. So when it's actually dry, it can't be